I have a very fun dish for you today that's quick to make, filled with flavor, and full of healthy vegetables. Now you make this dish with fully cooked sausages, jars of bruschetta, some feta cheese, and frozen veggies, items that you can easily pull out of your coach's pantry or freezer. Now you can serve this dish over a bed of rice, quinoa, or rice cauliflower. Add a little Parmesan cheese and you've got a winner. Hi, I'm Jan Diatri and I love cooking in my RV. But let's get cooking in your RV. Start by cutting 12 to 16 ounces of fully cooked sausages. I'm cutting on the diagonal, and that's important because that gives the meat more surface area to absorb flavor. Plus, it just looks nice. Now, you can use any fully cooked sausage, like this Polish sausage that I found at Costco, or this delicious chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. In a large skillet on medium heat, add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the sausages to the skillet and fry them until they're brown and slightly crispy, about 5 to 10 minutes. When the sausages are done frying, turn the heat to low and add 2 10 to 12 ounce jars of Tomato Bruschetta. You can find this bruschetta at Trader Joe's or some select grocery stores. Then add 6 ounces of feta cheese crumbles and give it a good stir. Add the 1 teaspoon of optional dried Italian seasonings. While the skillet is simmering on low heat, you can start making your rice, quinoa, or rice cauliflower to serve with this dish. Now I'm using frozen rice cauliflower just to keep it low carb and extra healthy. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a large pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, pour in 2 10 to 12 ounce bags of frozen rice cauliflower. And then just give it a good stir. Fry the cauliflower for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and hot and that excess liquid is cooked off. Then cover it and set it aside to keep it warm while you finish that sausage skillet. While the skillet continues to simmer on low, time to start microwaving the frozen vegetables. First up, 8 to 12 ounces of frozen green beans. Now, if they come in a microwave bag like this, just follow the instructions on the back of the bag. In this case, instruction side up in the microwave for 6 minutes. After the beans have cooked and have set aside to cool for about a minute, just carefully open up the bag and pour the beans right in the skillet and give it a good stir. Beautiful. Now take 8 to 12 ounces of frozen Brussels sprouts, put them in a microwave-safe dish, and heat them on high for 2 minutes. Then we'll give them a stir. That's just to break them up so they cook evenly. And they go back in the microwave for another 1 to 2 minutes. You want to make sure that they're nice and hot and soft. When the Brussels sprouts are cooked, if there's excess water, just drain that off and then spoon the Brussels sprouts onto a cutting board just to cool a bit. When the Brussels sprouts are cool enough to handle, cut them in half and then put them right in the skillet. And now for a gentle stir. Pour about 8 ounces of this beautiful frozen tricolor bell pepper mix into the microwave-safe bowl and cook on high for 2 minutes. I found these at Trader Joe's. You can find them at other select grocery stores as well. Then give them a nice stir for even cooking. And they go back in the microwave for another 1 to 2 minutes. We want to get them nice and hot and soft. Then drain the pepper strips and stir them right into the skillet. Nice. It's really pretty. If there are other frozen vegetables that you love, like cauliflower or broccoli or zucchini slices, go ahead and add those in just using the same microwave method. But of course, you can always use fresh vegetables. Just cook those separately and add them to the skillet. This dish is so flexible. Now, once all of the veggies are in the skillet, go ahead and cook it for another 5 minutes or so, just so it's nice and hot for serving. When you're ready to eat, just spoon the skillet over the conventional rice, the quinoa, or the rice cauliflower. Garnish each serving with a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and voila, you have a tasty and healthy meal. So let's talk about the nutrition facts for this sausage and bruschetta skillet. This recipe provides about 4 to 6 servings total. For 1/4 serving with rice cauliflower and the ingredients I've used, there's about 687 calories, 52 grams of total fat, 14 grams of saturated fat, 30 grams of total carbs, 29 grams of protein, and 2,099 milligrams of sodium. After subtracting fiber, there's 21 net carbs. I hope you give this skillet a try. It's easy, it's delicious, and it's healthy. And it's great for tailgating too. You'll find the full typed out recipe in our blog on our website. And as always, tell us what you think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more great RV recipes just like this.